Prem. Welcome to post-market report dated 29th April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. It is a strong comeback for the US market last Friday. All three indices traded higher, especially for Nasdaq. It is one of the best today. Nasdaq up by around 2%, up by around 316 points and trading at 15,927. So almost close to the 16,000 mark. Hope this week Nasdaq will cross the 16,000 mark and trade further higher, and S&P 500 up by around 1% and Dow Jones up by around 0.4%. So this is the update about the indices. It's a very good comeback by Nasdaq. That's mainly because of the technology stocks. So last Thursday after market hours, both Microsoft and Alphabet came out with very good results, and after hours Microsoft traded 4% higher and Alphabet traded around 10% higher. So Friday during the market hours, the forward march continued for both Alphabet and Microsoft, and Alphabet ended by 10% higher and Microsoft ended by around 1.5% higher on last Friday, because of which Nasdaq up by around 2%, and the chip making companies also traded higher. So Lam Research, AMD, Applied Machines all traded higher, more than 2% last Friday. If you look at Astera Labs, so one of the stocks that we were following, so in my last week video I told many brokerages recommended this stock Astera Labs, and it's likely to trade between $80 and $90. That is what we have mentioned. But if you look at last Friday, Astera Labs up by around 18% and trading at $85 actually. So as per brokerage's recommendation, within one day the stock moved up and trading at $85. Nvidia also up by around 6%. Intel, the downward trend continues and it's down by around 9%. So another stock, Snap, that also came out with the result last week, so immediately the stock was up last week also, and if you look at Friday, again the stock was up by around 27%. So this is another update. And US 10-year bond currently trading at 4.65. so we always say this 4.65 is high only. At one point in time it touched 5 also. That is where the US stocks were the selling pressure started. So either it has to be in this 4.65 itself, or comfortable range is 4.2 actually. This is something we need to closely monitor. Brent crude trading slightly lower at $88.92 actually. So this week we have the federal government meeting for 2 days, and the outcome of the meeting will be published on Wednesday. So apart from the US non-payroll data, that also will be published on Friday actually. So the forecast is 243k new jobs to be created in the month of April. Last data was 303k jobs created in the month of March. So this time we are expecting slightly a lower one of 243k. So but we always get a stronger economic data, so this is something we need to closely watch. So these are all the two data that will drive the market for the next week. So let us wait and see. This is the update from the US market. Coming back to the Indian market, so what a fantastic rally today. So no one expected such a very good rally for the Indian market today. So Nifty up by around 223 points, trading at 22,643, and Bank Nifty, wow, it's up by around 1,223 points, up by around 2.5%, trading at 49,424. So it's a all-time high for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty rally led by ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, IndusInd Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank as well. So last week we discussed about the Nifty range. So the Nifty upper range, what we discussed is Nifty may trade or may cross 22,700 and 22,800 is what we have discussed. The range is probably likely to trade between 22,200 to 22,800 is what we have discussed. So Monday itself Nifty up by around more than 1% and up by around 223 points. So currently trading at 22,643. So it's maintaining the range whatever we assumed last week. So let's see, hope this if it continues flat or slightly higher, then probably whatever we assumed may be correct. So that is one update. So mid cap stock traded 0.4% higher, small cap stock small cap indices traded more or less flat actually. So among the mid cap stocks, KP Tech, Yes Bank, Indian Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, Makes Healthcare all traded higher today. Among the small cap stock, Aegis Technologies and Tejas Network traded higher by around 9%. Tejas Network we already discussed, it's a Tata group of company. Last week also it was up significantly, and uptrend continuing for Tejas Network, and today also it up by around 9%. And top 4 stocks in the Nifty are ICICI Bank, SBI, Axis Bank, Ultra Tech Cement. All these 4 stocks traded higher. Kotak Mahindra stock, the downward trend is stopped today, and it's up by around and it's trading at 1640 today actually. So these are all the update from the Nifty Bank and the Nifty stocks today. So if you look at indices wise, oil and gas indices traded higher, mainly the energy indices traded higher. Nifty Energy, Nifty Oil and Gas traded higher today. IT stocks also traded higher today. So TCS and Infosys traded higher today, along with Reliance Industries also traded higher today. One of the IT stock, HCL Technology, down by more than 6% today after the result. And Ultratech Cement traded higher after the result, and they also announced a dividend of around 70 rupees. And BSE Limited traded 13% lower. That is mainly because the SEBI has asked BSE to pay based on notional turnover and not premium turnover. So this the expectation is this might cost BSE Limited around 165 crore plus GST. So because of which BSE Limited stock down by around 13%. So these are all the updates from the Indian market. Overall, if you look at so the trend is positive and it's traded higher today. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty marched forward today. So Bank Nifty, it's trading at all-time high. So Nifty is trading at close to all-time high. So what is next for Nifty and Bank Nifty? So it's tomorrow it's a expiry for Nifty Financial Services and Bank Nifty as well. So probably whether the short covering rally may happen tomorrow and Bank Nifty may move higher tomorrow and touch the 50,000 mark or not is something now we have to wait and watch actually. So it's trading at 49,400 Bank Nifty, and Nifty it's not all-time high, it's trading at 22,643. so all-time high is 22,750 plus, so still 100 more points are there. Will this Nifty all-time high maybe because of Bank Nifty marching tomorrow again by another 500 points or so, or Bank Nifty is going to trade flat is something we need to watch. So tomorrow it's a expiry for financial services as well as Bank Nifty. So this is something we need to wait and watch. And Wednesday it's a holiday, and Thursday again it's a Nifty expiry. So both days are crucial for this week actually. So let us wait and see. So I still maintain the range of 22,000. probably now it's up, maybe we can see for this week it may be 22,400 to 22,800. we can narrow down, but I don't think it will go below 22,400 for this week. So we can narrow down the range and see Nifty likely to trade between 22,400 to 22,800. So let's wait and watch. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.